Hi guys, I'm Raven, a mental health enthusiast, and welcome to day 3 of our 7-day journaling challenge. Y'all, today's gonna be a fun day. Yesterday was a little rough. Yesterday we had to do the real hard work. Today's gonna be a lot of fun. Our goal for today is to script and to manifest our dream life, or to manifest our ideal life, or to manifest our goals, okay? So this is what I want you to do for your journal entry for today. Write a journal entry from the perspective of your ideal self after an ideal day. Does that make sense? So if you were the person that you wanted to be right now, and you just finished your ideal day, or maybe you just woke up, you choose, right? You have autonomy in the situation. What would you write? What did you do when you first woke up? I made myself a cup of tea, herbal tea, and it was a peaceful morning. What'd your coffee taste like? What'd your tea taste like? What'd your lemon water taste like? What'd your breakfast taste like? What'd you have? Where'd you eat your breakfast? Were you on the go? So we're essentially describing our ideal day. This is scripting. This is scripting. And through this process, we are manifesting our ideal day. We're manifesting our ideal life. Because it's that feeling that you conjure up when you're writing these things down, right? How did the cup feel? How did your cup of coffee, or your cup of tea, in my case, how did it feel in your hands? It was warm. I could feel the warm ceramic in my hands. It felt good because I love it. So in this instance, the more detailed that you are when it comes to scripting, the better the outcome. So go to town and describe to me your ideal day. Next, I sat down on my laptop and I worked a little bit on my YouTube channel, which is monetized now, and I'm able to run a business and help people live an awesome life and make them feel good and make them feel happy. So you see what I'm saying? So just go and go and go. And what are you wearing? I'm wearing some really cute comfy pajamas, right? And my babies are watching TV, you know, just go and go and go. And you can choose whether you want to do present tense or past tense. I feel like I kind of tend to do both, just depending on the outcome that I want, depending on the date, really. I would say choose past tense, that you're like, yeah, this is what happened today. This is how it felt. Write it from the perspective of, I just ended my day and now I'm sitting down with my journal and I'm talking about what my day was like. Does that make sense? I hope you have so much fun with this journaling prompt today, because I love, 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 love this one. I'll see you tomorrow for day 4 of our 7-day journaling challenge. Don't forget to like, comment down below. Let us know, what was your experience like after you were journaling? What was your experience like? And don't forget to subscribe for my entire 7-day journaling series and more really cool videos about mental health as well. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Bye.